we are going to turn this area into a spring bath. We're going to clear all of this area out and use spring water from this IBC tank and put a fire underneath that bathtub. We're going to put it just in here. Should be good. So this is the cast iron bathtub that will be going up there. Drain. We bought it off Marketplace for like $2.50. It is very heavy, so you need at least 2 or 3 people to move it. So cleared most of the area that we want to use. I'm going to put the bathtub right here. So we need to level the floor. Got lots of extra soil and sand that we're going to use. Save that for later. The very end there, if you could. Thank you. Look at me, all gross and dirty. So, I've leveled out the floor, so now I'm gonna put some pavers just where it needs to go so that the bath can be held up properly. So yeah. Basically all of the pavers are in that I want. Now I'm just trying to figure out the drainage system. So when the bath is sitting on these 4 pavers, the drain will be about here. So when we pull the plug, it will run off down this way and I'll make a little path so it goes down into the garden. She's in, thanks to the help of June and our housemate Hugh. And it drained pretty good, except it did spill over a little bit, which is not necessarily a bad thing. So yeah, time to test her out.